Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. It's been a while, I know. About 40 some days since I posted a video. So I just want to get you guys caught up on what's going on. I've just been so darn busy with things around here and at work. I just haven't had time to pick up the camera. But here's our two little babies that we had a little over a year. They're doing good. We keep them out here in the pasture. But they'll be racing on the track this time next year, or training at least. We got our turkeys over here. About 2 more weeks it'll be fair. So these turkeys are getting pretty big. Let's go check them out. Definitely got some big ones. So we'll pick 4 will go to the fair, 2 for each of my daughters, and they'll show them. And really, they just get judged on the size of the breast and legs and all that stuff. Not really so much the weight, it's just the development of the muscles. All right guys, we'll run up to the pig barn here and I'll show you guys the pigs. So check. Our side, but like I said, we got 2 weeks till the fair, and these guys are getting big. They're 220, 230 in that range, so they're ready to go. Put another 20 or 30 pounds on them. You should be in good shape. Alright, well, I'm going to get these guys fed up and before they start jumping out of the pens. So let's get them some feed.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5, happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind, trying to save your time, in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business, cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish a simple life. Oh Lord, you can keep your 9 to 5.
Yet when they're eating, sometimes they don't want to mess with it. At least their fat pocket has got it there. Yeah, I like to play in it and dump it, but that stuff's too expensive. Dump it over. Wyatt's pig. Just set it outside for now. Alright, well that's the pigs. And like I said, we got 2 more weeks until our fair starts, so they'll go in the fair and we show on a Wednesday. And that'll be it. Pigs. It's been a long summer. The weather's been ridiculous. Up and down, the humidity. So it's been kind of hard to keep these pigs on the grain. So this year I've spent a little bit more on supplements than I usually do. See if I get any different outcome. I'm using the Game On, so that stuff's pretty expensive. But we'll see if it works. I can see a difference, you know, from last year to this year on the pigs. It helps widen them out right here, fills them all in and stuff. So it helps, but it's $230 for 20 pounds, and that only lasts about 3 weeks or so, because I'm giving it to 4 pigs, so I go through that pretty quick. All right, guys, we'll go back down to the farm. I'll show you our lambs and see what they're doing, and we're gonna wash the legs and all that good stuff. So I'll see you back down at the farm.
Rest for
Yeah, 8
weeks.
weeks.
And then the last 6 weeks he has to go on like a walk each day, like hand walking.
Yeah.
And just let him run.
Hey guys, what are you doing? Murr. A lot of hay in here. These are the neighbors' Fluffies. Oh. We're gonna get them out and scrub their legs, huh? You want me to hold that door?
I think I should get it.
You taking both of them?
I only have this halter.
Where's the other halter at?
It's the purple one. Oh, wait, whatever's hanging on the plywood right there.
There's a pink and a purple one.
Yeah, that one. Nico, are you gonna let me pet you?
Is that her name, Shaniqua?
Mm-hmm.
Holy mackerel, that one almost jumped over the thing.
They're psycho. Hi.
What are you guys doing over there?
Give me. No.
Yeah, round and round we go.
Don't do it.
Here, I'll watch the door. I got it. Whoa, how you doing?
Jimmy, not my hair. Okay, I'm ready. He's going to rats. Oh, come. Oh, they got poop on me.
How come they don't ever grow hair out?
What do you mean?
Like, is that because they're kneeling on their knees?
Yeah.
Go that way.
He wants to look at your camera.
I know. He's fat.
He only weighs 118.
How much did the one last year? 140?
Yeah, he has to be 121 now to make weight.
I thought we were all good.
not him.
Hey, Binks. Kitty, kitty, kitty. So those are the lambs. We're going to take them over here and get their legs all scrubbed up. We got 3 new kittens out here in the barn. Let's see if I can get up to them. They're a little bit skittish. You can kind of see them. They're over there. Gray one, there's a black one, and then a little striped one. Here, guys. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Come on, kitty, kitties.
Hi, Cleo. Watch these things.
Come on, kitty, kitty. Hi, kitty, kitty. This is Cleo. Oh, you get some chicken?
Yeah. Yeah, it was good.
There's the black one. There. Yeah, so we had to bring in some road grindings to put in here because this was low. So we've been getting so much rain lately. The water from the manure pile would come right in here and just flood this area. So this should take care of it. Hey guys. But yeah, I've been spreading manure for 3 weeks now, and a little bit more to do, but it's been raining so much that kind of put a halt to that. All right, we're gonna get them up on the stand here.
Julia, could you walk any slower?
Come on, Bugs.
Jimmy, leave the car alone.
He's like, what is it? I'm gonna chew on the cones. He's chewing on the cone. Don't eat that. Who's going on the stand first?
Shaniqua. We need all hands on deck.
What? Jimmy and Shaniqua.
Just don't get me in the video like this. Fine.
We gotta go. Let me take it out. He's a little bubble. There we go.
That's good, Brace.
Good job, buddy.
That's perfect.
Good job.
Does that hurt your knee at all?
No, because this is my bad one.
Oh. Okay, your turn, Bugs.
Oh my goodness.
Thanks. Oh my gosh, this is mean.
Yeah, she beats him up. You have to be watchful.
Oh, she's heavy. Get behind her.
Oh, that was good.
It's fine. Be smart.
conditioner.
Listerine and conditioner?
Yeah.
What's the Listerine for?
Helps your hair grow, I guess.
Huh. So she's bred again, so she'll have her baby probably in April, maybe early April, late March, and so that'll be another baby in the rotation. So both the babies that we've had on the farm are gone. We sold them both. So now we got the 2 babies out there. They'll start getting broke next year in the spring, early spring, and hope they'll be racing by the end of next year. So let's see how it goes. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll go ahead and get off of here, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.